Hello YouTube, this is puppylover 10,000 and I'm showing you how my two dogs love this squeaker toy. But this toy belongs to her and Trucker. This toy belongs to him. But they do switch off every once in a while and it squeaks off both ends. And there she is with her toy. Watching Trucker choose his toy. It's a its toy. It's a little bit old, but that's from a toy that got ruined. So there's him. Sorry. Bella's doing nothing. Just seeing him do that. Got it, you got it. Now let's see if you love it so much. Let's see if you love it so much. Tug of war! Ah, gotta pull you in. Ah. Oh! Ah, ow! If you actually tried it, it'd be pretty hard because you don't want to hurt his teeth or anything. See him pull him back. I'm doing it as hard as I can. And I fall down. I think Bella's liking the show. Let's see if we can get her to play. She could love a toy so much, you'll do it. And you should have seen my dog Max. He was gonna go inside the door, and then he put his paw in the front. He thought the door was closed, like on the American Toy video, and he thought the screen was still closed. So, but when we opened the screen, he came in, not come out, came in. Sorry if you saw the floor. Picking up some hair. Just a little bit. Yeah, Bella likes all the cotton stuff from my toy. Well, I don't really know what else he's going to do besides chew it up, so please subscribe and comment. Please subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. Give me that bag. Oh, you use that. Trucker. Trucker. This hurts. I have it.